Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, coming to you live from beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. I'm excited to meet you at the Metal Formers and Fabricators Internet of Things experience coming up on Monday, June 25th, right here in Cleveland. Join me for Not Your Grandfather's Factory, modernizing manufacturing to attract millennials and beyond. It's going to go from 11:15 until noon. You know, today's workers really are different, and technology is a big part of that reason. So if you're stuck in that, well, we've always done it this way, you're going to get left behind. You need the strategies to not only find the people for your jobs, you want to figure out ways to keep them from taking all that time, effort, and money that you invested in them and losing them to a more progressive competitor. So in this interactive, informative, and fun session, you'll walk out with ideas that you can use immediately, like tomorrow. You'll hear from me, but you'll also get to hear from others and share yourself some of the things that are working. It's really more of a conversation than a lecture, just so you know. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I look forward to seeing you on June 24th, right here in beautiful Cleveland, Ohio at the Hilton downtown. See you there.